My name is Chinmaya. Today let us see what would happen when we heat the air and cool the air. Let's see how the air rises upwards on heat and how the air shrinks on cooling. For this, we need a bottle, two bowls, one bowl of hot water, one bowl of cold water. I had covered the tip of the bottle with a balloon. What is inside the bottle? Air molecules. Now, first I am going to keep this bottle inside hot water. See, the balloon inflated means the air inside the bottle is lighter due to heat and rises upwards. Now, I am going to keep this bottle inside cold water. See, the balloon deflated means the air inside the bottle is heavier due to cool and shrinks. I am going to show you once again. Hope you all like it. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. For more upcoming videos, please subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.
I keep a photograph.